So, just look at that guy. Isn't that beautiful? Okay guys, so unfortunately it's our last day today at the lodge. Well, yesterday was the last full one. This was just like maybe 2 hours, which is sad. Okay, and we're actually going to a waterfall today in the woods, and it's 30 minutes away. But now we are only 17, which is good. And so see you guys at the waterfall. Going to the waterfalls. We're looking for it. Well, we already are here, but we're going in the woods, and then we're gonna find a waterfall, and we're gonna be happy, and we're gonna show you, and then the dogs. And there's a car. Yeah.
Guys, we're still here in the countryside of North Yorkshire, and we are looking for waterfalls. We just checked it in the internet, and then they said that there's a waterfalls near here. So this is the sign.
Oh,
Wood.
Yeah. Okay, let's see.
You coming over?
Let's see if we can find that place. We have to save it easy because we don't have much memory. Okay. So how are we gonna get in there? Oh, there is a waterfall. Okay, so yeah, we have to go around. Guys, we found the waterfall. Oh. Wow. Bex.
Okay guys, it's very cold. You can tell we're actually up a hill, up the mountain now. It looks really good here.
Be careful, you might fall, yeah?
Beautiful. So,
Romeo!
it's an adventure for us. It is freezing. Daisy doesn't want to put a jumper or a jacket on. She's crazy. But yeah, what's the name?
I don't remember, you know, we just, yeah.
Waterfall. So yeah, we just thought before we come home we're gonna
Romeo, be careful, yeah? As you can see, guys, this footway is very steep. We're going down to the waterfalls. Daisy, Romeo, and Mommy is already there. Wow. Okay. So we found it. We found the waterfalls. Okay guys, we are here now. Yeah, as you can see, the waterfall is there. I'm going to try to go there and make a video of the waterfall. So let's see. Guys, I'm going to try. Yeah, I will.
Dad, why didn't you leave your backpack here in case you fall?
I will. Let's go.
No, 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 no.
Oh, I thought I can do it. I can't do it.
That's what.
Yeah.
Yes, Dad. I will come down to you.
Okay. Okay, everyone. I'm already here, very near to the waterfall. As you can see, yeah, the waterfall is there. You know, you can actually go there and take shower, but I'm not gonna do that because we don't have proper swimming clothes. Okay, Daisy, she's here. She's adventurous as well. Okay,
Hi, guys.
go to them.
So now I had to get my feet wet just to get up here. Beautiful. So, just look at that guy. Isn't that beautiful? Just look how beautiful that is. There's my brother behind the tree in his natural habitat. In case I'm going over there. Don't mind my beautiful singing. There. Right there. Yeah.
Come here, where are you? Hey,
My dad's taking a picture.
come on, let's take a picture.
There's my mum in a pink jumper. See you guys?
Daisy will gonna do some TikTok dance before we go. Okay, here's the camera of her, and she's there.
Phút em gặp anh là em biết em si tình 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 quan tâm tình quan tình.
Sorry if you can't hear me, because there's like digging. Not sure what's going on, but we're just finishing now. That's what's going on. Like making a path. I don't know. And we're just walking back to the car now because my mum fed up. So I'm gonna try and get out this weird gate thing again. So, step, step, then step, and step. That's it, guys. And the car is just down there. That's it, and I'm just gonna wait for my dad.
Here, we can go here. Come on.
nice little morning at Scaleba waterfalls. Well worth the visit. It was like 30 minutes from where we were staying, so we were thinking should we just head straight home. So glad that we could. It's only a little walk. It's like a hidden gem. There's like a forest with streams, and then you get through and there's just a massive waterfall. And for England, it's absolutely gorgeous. Really, really pretty. Even the scenery, the surroundings, the air feels so fresh, and then there's just like all the fields and everything around you. Honestly, good. I never actually experienced being in the countryside like this in England, and I've really enjoyed it. So till the next time, Yorkshire.
That's good, that's good.